As of 2025, the United States is home to some of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in its history. These large-scale developments span from next-gen public transit systems to clean energy corridors and modernized air travel hubs. Let's take a journey through the transformative mega projects currently under construction, showcasing the innovation, collaboration, and engineering excellence driving the nation's future. Number 7. Silicon Valley BART Extension, Bridging Transit and Tech. The Silicon Valley BART extension, led by the Santa Clara Valley Transportation Authority, aims to integrate Bay Area rapid transit into the heart of Silicon Valley. The first phase, the Berryessa extension, added 10 miles of track and 2 stations. Built along a Union Pacific corridor, it required complex engineering due to challenging soil conditions and active rail operations. Phase 2, now under construction, includes 5 miles of underground tunnels through downtown San Jose and 4 new stations, including a major one at Diridon. This phase involves advanced tunneling, seismic design, and real-time monitoring. Once complete, it will significantly enhance regional transit connectivity and efficiency. Number 6. Chicago Region Environmental and Transportation Efficiency Program. As the nation's freight and passenger rail crossroads, Chicago faces chronic rail congestion. The Chicago Region Environmental and Transportation Efficiency Program tackles this with over 70 coordinated projects aimed at reducing bottlenecks, separating freight and passenger traffic, and upgrading aging infrastructure. Central to the effort are flyovers, elevated track crossings like the Englewood Flyover, which allows Metra's Rock Island Line to pass above a busy Norfolk Southern freight line. These structures required major embankments and specially engineered spans to handle train loads while minimizing noise in surrounding neighborhoods. Chicago Region Environmental and Transportation Efficiency also includes highway grade separations to eliminate at-grade crossings, improving safety and traffic flow. Construction often relies on temporary shoe-fleet tracks to keep trains moving. Signal system upgrades, featuring fiber optics, centralized control, and positive train control, are modernizing operations for improved safety and efficiency across the region. Number 5. John Glenn Columbus International Airport Expansion, a new era in air travel. Columbus, Ohio is elevating its air travel game with a major expansion of John Glenn Columbus International Airport. The multi-phase project includes a new terminal, upgraded taxiways, and improved road access. Designed with steel frames and post-tensioned concrete, the terminal offers open concourses, wide-body aircraft gates, and modern systems for baggage handling, security, and energy efficiency. Targeting LEED certification, airside work features high-speed taxiways, enhanced drainage, and reinforced pavement built to FAA standards. Landside upgrades include realigned roads, expanded parking, and new drop-off zones, requiring extensive earthwork and utility relocation. Behind the scenes, new heating, ventilation and air conditioning, chilled water systems, and redundant power are routed through underground corridors for reliability and ease of maintenance. This expansion positions Columbus as a rising air hub in the Midwest, merging innovation with long-term planning. Number 4. GreenLink West Transmission Project, powering Nevada's renewable future. Stretching across hundreds of miles of Nevada desert, the GreenLink West Transmission Project is a linchpin in the state's shift toward renewable energy. This 525 kilovolt transmission line connects major substations in central and western Nevada, enabling the integration of solar, wind, and geothermal energy into the regional grid. Engineers face tough terrain, desert sands, rocky mountains, and seismic fault zones. To manage these conditions, teams conduct geotechnical surveys that inform foundation types, ranging from spread footings to deep drilled caissons. Tower construction involves both lattice and tubular steel structures. Depending on the location, some are lifted into place with cranes, while others require helicopters due to rough terrain. Conductors are then strung using tension control systems that prevent sag and maintain structural integrity. Environmental stewardship is a top priority. The route passes through habitats of species like the desert tortoise. Crews use low-impact machinery and conduct revegetation with native species to restore disturbed land. Substation upgrades include high-voltage switchgear, transformer installations, and protective systems, all coordinated through SCADA controls for reliability during faults or surges. Once completed, GreenLink West will reinforce Nevada's electrical backbone while advancing its clean energy goals. Number 3. Portal Bridge Replacement, unclogging the Northeast Rail Artery. The century-old Portal Bridge, a swing bridge over New Jersey's Hackensack River, has long been a choke point for Amtrak and NJ Transit. The new Portal North Bridge, now under construction, is set to change that. Replacing the outdated, mechanically unreliable swing bridge is a high-level fixed-span structure. It eliminates the need to open for boat traffic, which historically caused major delays. The new bridge is built on a fresh alignment to keep existing rail service active during construction. Engineers drive deep foundations into the marshy riverbed using piles and drilled shafts, while coffer dams and temporary platforms protect against tidal fluctuations. The bridge superstructure uses steel girders and reinforced concrete decks designed for high-speed trains. Electrical systems, including overhead catenaries, are installed along with modern signaling and centralized control interfaces for seamless train operations. When the new bridge goes live, the old one will be decommissioned, dismantled, and the surrounding ecosystem restored. As part of the broader Gateway program, the Portal Bridge is key to unlocking more reliable rail service along the entire Northeast Corridor. Number 2. Newark Elizabeth AirTrain, elevating airport connectivity. The Newark Elizabeth AirTrain project is replacing the aging monorail system at Newark Liberty International Airport with a cutting-edge automated people mover. This dual-track elevated guideway system uses driverless trains to connect airport terminals, parking areas, and the rail station on the Northeast Corridor. Crucially, it extends into the city of Elizabeth, creating a new transit gateway that integrates with NJ Transit and Amtrak. The guideway is constructed using precast concrete supported by reinforced concrete piers with seismic and wind resistance. Depending on local soil, foundation solutions include steel piles or drilled shafts. Station design emphasizes efficiency, accessibility, and modularity, with features like platform screen doors, elevators, real-time updates, and space for future tech upgrades. The system uses communications-based train control for precise automated operation. Power is supplied via third rail, with substations ensuring voltage stability. Emergency systems, evacuation walkways, and crossover tracks are built into the guideway for safety. Construction is staged carefully around live airport operations and urban traffic. Prefabrication speeds up the process while minimizing disruptions. The result, a next-generation transit system that makes airport access faster, easier, and more sustainable. Number 1. Puget Sound Gateway Program, completing the freight highway loop. The Puget Sound Gateway program in Washington State is transforming freight mobility across the region. By completing State Route 167 in Pierce County and State Route 509 in King County, the project is linking ports, industries, and interstate highways like never before. These unfinished highway segments have long been barriers to efficient freight flow. The program includes new roadways, bridges, interchanges, and culverts, all built to modern standards for heavy-duty logistics. Earthwork includes grading, slope stabilization, and embankment construction, followed by multiple layers of crushed rock, asphalt, or concrete. Special attention is given to vertical clearances, especially where roads cross over active rail lines. Bridges use pre-stressed concrete girders and cast-in-place supports with deep foundations. All structures are built to withstand seismic activity, a must in the Pacific Northwest. The result is a connected, resilient highway system built to keep freight and commuters moving smoothly through one of the West Coast's most important economic corridors. And there you have it. Some of the most jaw-dropping, game-changing, and downright massive construction projects shaping the future of the United States in 2025. What project blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this journey through America's engineering marvels, give this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel.